Ryan Codes here, and we're going to start off with a new series of tutorials, how to make iPhone apps with no programming experience at all. I'm going to teach you the basic fundamentals on the language behind developing iPhone applications, and I'm going to use Playgrounds for the next couple videos to get your feet wet with some of the introductory stuff to the Swift programming language. Now, in order to start this, fire up Xcode. You'll get this screen right here. Tap Get Started with a Playground. We'll name it a demo playground. And we'll do, because there's going to be multiple playgrounds that we're going to do throughout the series of these videos. Just save it to your desktop. And here you see. Now we have a sample here of a string of hello playground, similar to how in my other video we did the hello world tutorial. Now here, what we're seeing here is var, which is the keyword to say we're initializing a variable. We're naming the variable str. We're equaling it to a string called hello playground. Just think of a string as some text. Now if we were to do this print operation and we do str in there, you'll see on the right side that the playground automatically prints out the result on the right. So you have your logic on the left and your printout of what you expect the results to be on your right. Now for some simple operations, you would think that we can do var x equals 10, and then we can do var y equals 20. Now if we were to do a simple add operation, so var the total equals x plus y, and print out the result, you will see that we get 30. Now as you go line by line, it will show you what is behind each variable or operation. So here we declared var x equals 10, and you see 10 here, var y equals 20, and you see 20 here, and so on. Now there's two type of operators. There's var and let. Var means the variable will be able to be changed at a later date. So down here we could go, now we want x to equal 40. So now if we make a new variable called sum, and we do x times 2, we will see that the result is 80. Pretty cool stuff, right? So we could do some really basic operations here using the if operation, very commonly used in programming. So we can start off by saying if the sum is greater than 100, then we're going to print the string greater than. But if it's not greater than 100, if anything else, we're going to print not greater. So in our case right now, we're going to get the not greater, right? Because the sum holds the value of 80, and 80 is not greater than 100. So if I were to take this and times it by 4, you will see now the code changes, and now the if clause with the sum now being 160 is greater than 100. I wanted to keep this video short, show you basic operations with strings and numbers, and you can see that it's very easy to follow how this works in the playground. In the next video, I'll get into more complex operations with loops and other operations that are available in Swift that make your life a lot easier when you're coding. Please leave your comments and questions in the video. I am more than happy to help you guys out if you come across any problems. And please subscribe. We'll have tons of these videos coming out nice and short to help you with your programming experience and get your apps on the store as soon as possible. Hope to see you in the next video.